One beautiful summer day, Brody the dog decided to take a walk through the woods. Suddenly, he heard a small voice calling to him from within the brush. It was a tiny turtle. "Hello," he said. "My name is Samuel. Won't you please help me? I need to get to the dispensary across the stream to get me medicine, but I'm afraid I cannot cross it on my own." Brody said, "Of course I'll help you, Samuel, but how are we going to cross it?" Perhaps we could gather some twigs and some vines and create a raft to float us to the other side. Or maybe we can find a long stick and vault right over." But then Brody had the most wonderful idea of all. "Come, Samuel," he said, "we will smoke this blunt and simply fly over the stream." So the two began to toke, and toke and toke and toke. And then Brody grabbed Samuel by the hand, and the both of them flew clear over the stream to the other side. Samuel was so happy to get his medicine that his smile went from ear to ear. Then he and Brody smoked a big fat bong, and they both took a long nap.